Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AviCAD tutorial how to overlay drawings. So if you want to overlay drawings, you can use the Xref command, type Xref, press enter, and the next you can click attach. Now searching for your drawings, for example I will use this drawing, click open and will be show for attach external reference dialog box. For reference tab, you can click on the overlay. After it, click OK. And then you can insert by clicking like at this point. So we show for the drawing in here for overlay. Click and scale factor into 1 and 0 and enter again to apply. Click OK. So you create the overlay drawing. Okay, that's it for a basic AviCAD tutorial how to overlay drawings.